we count number of times we use do after number. Let's count. One time. 一度、一度、一度。Two times. 二度、二度、二度。Three times. 三度、三度、三度。Four times. 四度、四度、四度。Five times. 五度、五度、五度。Six times. 六度、六度、六度。Seven times. 七度、七度、七度。Eight times. 八度、八度、八度。Nine times. 九度、九度、九度。Ten times. 十度、十度、十度。Let's make a sentence. Example. For example, 私はこの本を3度読みました。I've read this book 3 times. 私はこの本を3度読みました。私 means I. この本 means this book. 3度 means 3 times. 読みました means I've read. 私はこの本を3度読みました。私はこの本を3度読みました。二度とない sentence. 二度とない is used when looking back on past events or experiences and warning someone not to repeat the same thing, such as never again. Example. 二度とあの店には行かない。I'll never go to that store again. 二度とあの店には行かない。二度とない means never again. あの店 means that store. 二度とあの店には行かない。Review. Please repeat after me. 一度 Good. 二度 Good. 三度 Good. 四度 Good. 五度 Good. 六度 Good. 七度 Good. 八度 Good. 九度 Good. 十度 Good. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one is one time in Japanese? A. 一度 B. 六度 C. 四度。The answer is A. 一度。 Number 2. Which one is 5 times in Japanese? A. 5度 B. 2度 C. 10度 The answer is A. 5度 Number 3. Which one is 9 times in Japanese? A. 8度 B. 9度 C. 3度 The answer is B. 9度 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。